guys, we're about to go for a ride in the 130 or the 335i. Upgraded turbo, 600 wheel horsepower. 600 wheel. All right, enough talking. This should be fun. So now, how long have you owned this car for?
Probably a couple years now.
Couple years, and it's just like a weekend fun car for you?
Maybe drive it once every month, if that.
All right. See, this guy, he's on the grind once a month. I'd be driving this car every day. Yeah, this is for sure, for sure. So what size turbo is on this?
Precision 6266. It's a top mount JP work setup.
Okay.
JB4 back end flash. Pump gas 93.
93 octane, 600 wheel horsepower?
Give or take.
How much torque?
It puts it down. I would say 5, a little over 5.
Wow.
It's on a very conservative setup, you know, pump gas, whatever. You know, an E85, it's a whole new car, but
wow,
it's got fuel system in it.
Okay.
Low pressure pump, and then it's got the double barrel shotgun as well.
How long have you been running this setup, would you say?
Honestly, I like driving like this better because, you know, you don't got to put the E85 and all that stuff in it. I don't drive the car much, and it's not good for E85 to sit in the tank.
Okay.
But you know, this is plenty for me. You know, I don't need 700 horsepower. I mean, it's more than capable of it. But
yeah, you're only 100 off. You basically got it.
Yeah, like I said, it's fun. You know, the drivability of it's amazing.
Yeah, it feels like a normal car right now.
No check engine lights. I mean, you know, I get fast emissions. Only light that's on is a TPMS light. But 285s on the rear. Like I said, it's very, very conservative, simple setup. You know, nothing crazy.
It definitely feels like a normal car right now.
I mean, you could daily drive the thing if you wanted to. So, you know, I like, you know, keeping it plain and simple. So.
For sure, it's nice. You did a good job. From the outside, besides the rims and the big exhaust, you can't tell anything's done to it. It looks just like a regular 335.
Yeah, so that's what I was going for. So, it's got, it does have an M-Factory LSD in it.
Okay.
But stock axles, you know, stock drive shaft. I mean, it's, like I said,
and it holds all that power, no problem.
Yeah, so far so good. So
impressive. And is this the JB4 app?
Yep, JB4 app from my phone just to monitor some things.
Okay.
Then it just has a single turbo back end flash. You know, it's actually,
oh yeah, I forgot to say the car's converted to a single turbo. It is not a twin turbo anymore. Like you said, it's a single precision turbo. Pushing close to 600 wheel horsepower. Very similar torque numbers. So, needless to say, it is fast.
It's fun.
It is very cold out today. Spun through third gear like nothing. Do you have a two-step on it, obviously?
I don't, actually.
You don't?
No launch control. No.
The launch control on the M3 is useless anyways, too. Unless you get it, like, brought down, it just
Yeah, no launch control.
spins.
Like I said, it's a very simple setup. I have max solenoid controlling the boost.
Okay.
So it's like electronic boost controller.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's basically just...
Do you have, like, boost by gear, or is it...
No, it's not even boost by gear. Like I said, it's just... It's plain and simple, nothing crazy at all.
Well, it's a little, it's a little crazy.
It's a highway little fun car. It's not.
Yeah.
So.
It's awesome. I like it.
Thanks, man.
It sounds awesome too. You can never
Like I
get
said,
sick of those turbo flutters.
It's completely quiet. You know, you can hand the keys to my mom, she wouldn't complain. I mean, it's only loud when you get on it.
Yeah.
No, absolutely no drone, nothing. I mean,
No, it definitely is a quiet car. I agree. There's no drone until you step on it, and then that turbo flutter. That's basically all I could hear when you were just lighting up the tires. Was the turbo just? Is that your boost right there? Top right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. To clear up here and have a little fun.
All right.
So I don't drive the car.
All right, guys. We're gonna do a pull from a dig here. It's just gonna light up, but why not? Here we go. Oh, those sounds. I love the turbo. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. Never get sick of that.
Got twin tile 38 on it.
Sounds awesome. It sounds so good. So you're running wastegates on it?
Yeah, it's a twin scroll manifold. It's got two external tile 38 gates, and then I got two dump tubes off of external gates. One's coming out of the fender liner.
Okay.
And the other one, you know, they're both they vented to atmosphere. So.
All right. Did you hear that, guys? The car is fast. It is very fast.
Last drive.
Well, that's going to conclude this video. Thank you very much for taking us for a ride. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like, throw some comments down below what you think of the car. Thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next one.